All right, so I'll kind of talk through what you can look to do here. The one problem that this creates is that it doesn't tell you how many students are in the class, so you do have to create a system of equations based on what was provided. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let b equal the number of books, and I'm going to let n equal the number of students, okay, just to set up my equation. So when I set up to solve this, and I take my first sentence, if each student takes 4 books, so that's 4 times n, there will be 20 books left. So if we take the total number of books and you remove 4 for each student, there's going to be 20 left. So here would be one equation that I can create. And I take my second sentence here. If 3 students do not take a book and the rest take 5, so now there will be no books left. So the total number of books is going to be equal to, if each student takes 5, again, not each student, but each minus 3, so n minus 3, all but 3 students take 5, then that's going to be equal to the total number of books. So here are my 2 equations, and so now it's just a matter of combining these. If you just substitute in this whole expression here for b, right here, and I'm going to go ahead and distribute through too. So I get 5n minus 15 minus, so all I did is I substituted that in for b, minus this 4n is equal to 20. And so here's the combination of my equations, and now I can just solve for n. 5n minus 4n is n, minus 15 is equal to 20. Add 15 to both sides. So we get n is equal to 35. So once we find what n is, we can simply plug it into either one of these equations. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in right here. So 35 minus 3 gives me 32. 32 times 5 is going to give me the total number of books. 5 times 30 is 150. 5 times 2 is 10. 150 plus 10 gives me my answer of 160. Okay, so again, there may be times that you are asked to do math that's a little more similar to what you might see in a class here, and this would be one example of that. But these will likely, or this is a problem that would fall, like I said, about 4th or 5th from last in a section, and so it's considered a difficult one.